This is a floor assembled with lightweight concrete panels. This material is 1/4 as light as regular concrete. Helps reduce load on building foundations, especially houses with weak foundations. First, you will need to find the workers to make steel structures like this. Then buy lightweight concrete panels to assemble. Installing lightweight concrete panels is not difficult, you can do it yourself. 1 square meter of this lightweight concrete panel weighs 115 pounds. So it takes about 2 to 3 people to do it easily. This floor has an area of 120 square meters, it only took workers 1 day to complete. Work progress is very fast. Furthermore, the floor can be used immediately after installation. You can even install the floor panels and walls at the same time. The project is quickly completed for use.